Okay, so I'm on week 6. I pretty much had no choice but to put this toolbox together. Real happy with it, way bigger than I thought it was. Got heat, got the electrician in here, got all these walls covered on this side. This toolbox isn't going to stay here, and this heater is not going to stay here. Managed to pick up another exterior door for 90 bucks used. Got all my supports in on this side of the wall. Basically anything that looked iffy, I just went and stuck a 2x6 in every 16 inches and then tried to stiffen some of this up. But the problem is I'm running out of space here. I didn't want to work on this with the four-wheeler, and I also got it insulated, so that's good, but I run out of time this week. And all the footing had been replaced. I've replaced all the footing on the wall that was rotten, which that was real fun to do because of the termite damage. And then what I'm going to do is I've got another toolbox coming in that's going to be up against this wall. I'm waiting to get in and get it built. And once I get that toolbox in, I'm going to set the toolbox up here, and then I need to brace this wall to that wall. So I'm going to have to prefab another wall, bring it out, connect it to this wall, and that should stop that wall from moving out anymore if I just brace it up. So yep, we'll get through this. This is going to be a longer project than I thought. The world's coming to an end. We got a vote tomorrow. Not real sure what's going on. They're erecting a fence outside the White House. Black Lives Matter has their own merch line. How a movement has their own merch line, I have no idea. So life's interesting, but the USA will go on no matter who wins the election. So, you know, I'm out of here. But this Husky toolbox, I'm going with Husky. I'm switching from Craftsman to Husky. So real good quality stuff.